Hi, welcome to Coffee Dealer's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys my Japanese curry steak. These are all the ingredients that we need. First, our diced steak marinated with salt and pepper. Next, our black pepper. Next, diced carrots, diced potatoes, sliced onion, our Japanese curry mix, and last is our olive oil. Let's start it. First, we're gonna turn on our stove to high heat. We're going to fry our steak first. Put some olive oil. We just want to make sure that our steak turn brown before we start to the next cooking process. We just want to make sure that our steak gets seared to make it tender and moist. We're gonna start. This is what I'm trying to say. Turn brown. So after we seared our diced steak, the next thing we're gonna do is to saute it in our sliced onion in a big pot. Then
we're going to slow cook for 15 to 20 minutes.
Until our steak get tender. Okay, in a big pot, in a high temperature again, put some olive oil. Next, our sliced onion. Next, we're gonna put back our diced steak in the pot. And then after we sauteed our steak with our sliced onion, we're going to put like 2 cups of water. Here's our 2 cups of water. And then we're going to turn down our stove to medium heat and let it cook it about like 30 minutes. And then we're going to proceed to the next process. We're gonna add this more broth from this juice earlier. Put the lid on.
After 15 minutes,
Cooking the steak, now we're gonna add our vegetables. And then just cook our vegetables before we're going to mix our Japanese curry and the black pepper. Now we're gonna add our Japanese mixed curry. And mix it. And last, our black pepper. We're going to put some black pepper. And then mix it again. Our beef is so tender. I'm slicing very thin cabbage for our side dish for a Japanese beef curry. Okay, here how I slice our cabbage. Did you see the trend like that? Very kind of like a kind of like a hair thin. Okay. That's it. I hope you enjoy.